Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Square for seamless dropshipping transactions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin with, create a Square account if you haven't done so already. Visit the Square website and click on Get Started. Fill in your business details and complete the registration process. Once your account is set up, log into your Square dashboard. Navigate to the Settings section in the sidebar menu. Under Settings, select Payment Methods. Enable online payments by activating the appropriate options. Next, integrate your e-commerce platform with Square. Choose your e-commerce platform from the integration options provided. Follow the specific instructions for linking Square with your chosen platform. After integration, set up your online store to offer dropshipping products. Add your products, ensuring to include essential details like price, description, and images. Next, enable inventory tracking to manage your stock effectively. Test your product listing to ensure it appears correctly on your store. Now, set up your shipping options to accommodate dropshipping logistics. In the settings, find the shipping section and configure your methods and rates. Choose reliable dropshipping suppliers for your products. Communicate with your suppliers about order fulfillment processes. Start processing orders by monitoring incoming sales through your Square dashboard. Ensure that each order is correctly passed on to your supplier for fulfillment. As orders are shipped, update your customers about their order status. Keep track of your finances using Square's reporting features. Regularly review your transactions to ensure everything is running smoothly. Adjust your business strategies based on the performance data you gather. By following these steps, you can deploy Square to streamline dropshipping transactions efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.